Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to be explaining to you on how you can actually perform your in-game tax. Just as I've received several messages from my community that I should make a video regarding on how to participate in the in-game tax on Yuliverse in this phase 2 Yuliverse airdrop. Guys, by all means don't miss Yuliverse airdrop. This phase 2 is more juicy. The phase 1 they only gave 4 million ART token, but this phase 2 they are giving 8 million ART token. And make sure you position yourself. You get now. Make sure you do everything to know how to do the tax so that you will actually get more points, Yuli points. Now let's do it. Let's get started now. Make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, how do we go about it? The first thing you need to do is on your social tax, make sure you have checked in daily, because when you check in, you'll be able to get your multiplier, what multiplies your earning, your point to earn. If you click on it and you do your check-in, after you've checked in, then you flip your card, you click on to claim, and you flip your card, you can get 10s 2, you can get 10s 4, you can get 10s 6, and that's what determines what you get. After you've done your daily tax, in your in-game tax, you come to your in-game tax, and you will see that it has multiplied. Your multiplier is what determines what you earn on your in-game tax. Now that you've known this, the next thing, what do you need to do after you've connected a wallet like this? Now, just go and download the Yuliverse app. Go and download the Yuliverse app. How do you download the Yuliverse app? Join my Telegram community. Now, if you don't know how to download Yuliverse app, which is the app that we are going to be using to do this in-game tax, you need to get APK Pure. From that APK Pure, you will download Yuliverse app. Why? Because there are some countries that Yuliverse app is not supported in the region on Play Store. That's why we need to download APK Pure first and then use it to download Yuliverse app. Now, just join my community and ask for the APK Pure app, and then you use it to download your Yuliverse app. It's actually worth up to 400 and something megabytes. Just download it and get started for the app, for the game. After you've downloaded the app, now let's go to the app now. This is actually the app. As you can see my screen, just allow it to load, and then once it loads 100%, it will open, and then we can now proceed to perform any other thing we want to do on the app. Now just watch close as I wait for it to load. And now this is the app. It has fully loaded. Now once you download the app and if you are a new user, what you just need to do, log in with your email. When you log in with your email, they will send code to your Gmail. Click to get verification code. Go and check your email and put the code, and then you register with your email. If you are also an existing user, you use the app during the phase 1, do the same thing and you get login. But if you are a new user and you've not connected your wallet, just click here. You can see this this wallet. Then connect your wallet. You can see my wallet has been connected here. After you have connected your wallet, you can do some other thing. You can now proceed to do your in-game tax. Connect your wallet by using whether you are using your wallet. Connect your wallet. You see connect your wallet. Connect your wallet. After you've connected your wallet, then you can now proceed for the in-game tax. But for those of you who are getting, maybe your wallet couldn't get connected, perhaps any glitch, you can reach out on the support on Discord, or you wait for the glitch to be rectified. But it's working. It's working for those who have been doing it. Now, after you've connected your wallet, now the first tax we're going to do now is on the Terra purification. We want to purify Terra. Let's go to the app, to the Yuliverse airdrop tax. All right, if I click on in-game tax and I scroll down, you are going to see this tax. Let's purify Terra with our guide. This is the first one we want to do as we watch closely. All right, let's go and do it now. Just click on the Terra, Terra. This Terra, we are looking for Terra to purify. Then allow it to load. Click on I have known. Allow it to load as we're looking for Terra. You're going to see one gold icon, which is the Terra. You can see this is the Terra we are looking for, the gold icon. That is what we click to purify Terra. And once you see it, click on it to purify Terra. You can see, once you've seen it, if you couldn't see it and you wait for a time, close the app and come back later or again and open it again and try it again until you see that Terra to purify. Then click on start. Click on start to purify Terra. Once you've clicked on start, then it will it will purify. You can see get profit. Now you can go back and quit and go back. You have purified the Terra. Now let's go to the let's go back, press back. Then let's go to Yuliverse airdrop tax and see if it has actually worked. But if you do not connect your wallet, it will not reflect there. Make sure you've connected the same wallet you are using to do tax on Yuliverse. Now let's go and check. Now, all right, let's come down, let's scroll down, click on the in-game tax to see. You can see that it has been purified, and you can see it's showing this icon reward. Then click to accept the reward. You can see claim it now. That's it. Awesome. Thanks. I know it. I've got the point. It has added to my point system. Now, after that, you might be wondering that how do we do some other tax, which is the gacha. Some of you have tried to do this gacha in-game tax by using the old techniques, which is the special event link, but it's not working. They have actually upgraded the website to something else. Now let's go back to the same app, Yulimeta app, to try and do this. All right, guys, let's go and do the second tax. You can see this is gacha. This is gacha, as you can see. That's gacha. You want to do gacha, and the gacha require you spinning. And before you can spin, you must get your spin. Those things you spin before you spin. Now, for us to do it, we need to click on this. You can see this thing. Can you see that box? That box, you can see that box. Click on it. Closely look at it. Click on it. You will see this. Claim this thing. Claim it. You can see airdrop gift. You have claimed compensation for this service. Claim it. After you've claimed it, then you go back. After you've gone back, now come and click on gacha. Click on gacha. Open gacha. You will get spin. You have already got spin 1,600. This is spin. You can see. And you must spin 10. Let me show you so that you will see the instruction. You must spin 10. Alright, if I click on let's roll our gacha, that shows spin. You can see 10 spins in card gacha. That is what it must be. If it is lesser than 10, you will not be able to claim it. Now, let's go to the app. Alright, this 1,600 you are seeing here is for 10. Is for 10. Then click there. It's for 10 spin. Don't go and make a mistake. I made that mistake in phase 1. Don't make a mistake and spin 1. No. Just go and click to spin 10. Click, look at this arrow. Click to spin 10 at once. Oh yeah, click on it. Click on 10 spin. Once you click on it, you tap on this. Just tap on here. Once you tap, it will show some cards. You can see if you count them, they are 10. You can see they are 10. That means we've spent for today. No enough. You can say go back. You can see it's now is 0. It's now is 0. That means we've spent it, we've exhausted it. Now let us go back to that in-app game, in-app tax. All right, let's come down to the in-game tax. Click on the in-game tax and let's see if it has reflected. You can see it has reflected for the reward, to claim the reward. Now just click on it to claim the reward. Click on let's roll and then claim your reward. You can see I've claimed my reward, my gacha reward. That means on the in-game tax, I've done this one. You get, this one is static. You can be doing this one every day. You get. But let's see the next one, which is this Koa season. Let's see how we can actually do this Koa. And let's go to the app as well. After you've done this thing, just exit. Click on the X and go back. For the Koa, you can look at this thing. If you come look down, you will see Koa here. Can you see the arrow? You can see the Koa. Let's click there to check the Koa. And now allow it to load. Allow it to load. Allow it to load. Now, before we do anything here, let's go and look at the criteria for that core participation on the in-game tax. If you click on this daily core session, if you click here, let's click on it and see what they request. So let's get you rank up on the session tournament. Join card grant. Let's see if we can do this game. And also, if you look closely, it said join card Grand Prix. Join card Grand Prix once. And here we can see core Grand Prix. You can see. Let's click on there. And it has time you can play it. This from 3 UTC and 7. Oh, that's like 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. Is it either 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. whatever. And here, this is it, where you can do the core this thing before you can actually play it. And the issue is that you can see insufficient ARG, unable to join. It means that it requires to get this ARG before you can actually do it. But let me actually, I will find out. There are some other games like here. I believe you have done this one on the ranking battle as well. Here, let's see cards. Let me select my cards and select the eyes, the one with the good and eyes number. Then let me just come to this, whether this one will actually affect anything on the app, on the in-game tax. Let me click on this and we click on start matching. Connecting. Continue, waiting for opponent confirmation. Matching succeeded. Then I will play this game now. I'll play this game now and see whether it will affect anything on it. Now, as you're watching, you can see defender attacker. Then, how to play this game is very easy if you know how to play it. Just look for one card, put it. Let's say I put this one and I select middle. Then you wait for them to play their own. I will tell you what you need to consider when you are playing the game. Just wait for them to play their own. Alright, they just played their own. It's because what is actually near my own, they play this one. What is near my own is greater than my own at the side. That's why it will turn to their own color. Now, what do? I need to look for the one that is greater than their own as well. Let me pick this one and put here. You can see it has flipped it because my own 6 here is greater than the number. You just need your own card to dominate. Your own card to dominate their own number anywhere you are putting it, whether up or side or down. I'm waiting for them to play theirs. Now they have played theirs and then it has dominated mine. I will just put one now. You can see I've also flipped through. I've dominated theirs. I'm waiting for them to play. Right, let me play this and put here. And I've flipped through the last. Then you can see it is draw. It is draw. Then we can play again. Alright, let me start the game. Alright. Wow, I win this game. I win this one. Now let me just see the effect. If it has effect on the game. Now I want to check if it has effect on the game. Now, can you see it has effect on the game? The game I played has effect on the game. You can see, challenge yourself in an intensive rank battle. That game you can play within 3 p.m. to like 6 p.m. Then you click to claim the reward. You can see, if I complete this square battle, if I complete this, and also this. That means I need to play more of that same game, and then I complete it, and I will claim this thing. Let me go and play more, and you will see me completing it. All right, I want to play the game again. You get, for those of you who didn't get it, just come to Koa. And I told you that this Koa game can be played around 3 p.m. to like 5 p.m. to like 6 p.m. All right, this is it. Click on this ranking battle. You can play it within this time, 3 p.m. to like 6 or 5 p.m. Click on ranking battle, then click on start match. But before you play the game, you must have selected your this thing first. You must have selected your card. This is where you have to select your card. Just go there and select your card. Pick the big number and select card. Then when you come back, you go to that ranking battle. Then you click on it to start. Once you click on it, it's connecting. Then you continue. You wait for the opponent for confirmation. Match succeeded. Then click on that card, select it and confirm. Then you click on confirm. Once you have done that, it will take you to the next page for you to play the game. How do you play the game? I told you that the most thing that is essential is to match your number. Look at it. Let me pick this one. The last one, which is okay. Means any card I will play here must be greater than any side I place it. Now let me pick this one and place it here. You will see it will turn to my own color. Can you see? Now if they place any of their own beside my own and it's greater than the number they place beside it, it will change it to their own color. It means the number of the color whichever one that wins is the one that determines who will win this game. Let me just pick this one and then, or let me pick this one and place beside it. You will see it will turn to blue. Can you see it has turned to my blue? That means I'm still winning. Now let them play their own and you will see how what will happen. Can you see the one they play? Because their number is the same thing as my number, it could not change. Now I will place one beside it. And then you will see my number is greater than. Can you see? It has actually changed it because mine is greater than this. That is how you play the game. It's very easy. You can see the number cannot change my number because it's the same thing. It must be greater than. Then let me just pick this one and place there. You can see it will change it. I've already won them. I've defeated them. There's nothing they can do. You can see. There's nothing they can do. I won. That's how to play the game. It's as simple as that. It's as simple as that. You get. Just play and make and get more. Alright, let's come back to this in-game DAX and see the effect. You'll see if I click on it, you can see it has changed now. I've won more. I need to win another one to clear this thing, to clear this one. Once I win 5, that means I need to win 10, play 10 times to win in order to clear and claim this bonus. Then once I get it done, you can see it is a daily task. You do it daily, you play the game daily. You get. For this one you cannot do this game. That was the one I showed to you that require money to buy ARG token in order to claim it. But I will find out how to buy ARG token if it is something small that one can buy and use it. But make sure on this gacha, for this bonus you used to spin, I don't know until tomorrow that I will know, or the following day that I will know if one can keep on getting that spin every day, or perhaps how one can get more spin if that spin gets exhausted. That is why you need to join my Telegram group. Join my Telegram community below this video for more updates. And the next thing, in case if there's anything, we find out and we know how to do it and rectify it. You get. Don't forget to share this video with your friends who don't understand how to play this in-game tax. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more updates. And like this video, subscribe. Turn on the notification bell for more video in case whenever I post any video, you'll be the first person to get it. Alright, bye. Bye for now. Thank you. Don't forget to do all the in-game tax and make sure to do everything you could do to get more points before the airdrop event ends. Alright, bye. This is Luga Digital once again. Bye for now.